Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone's well and that you had a pleasant weekend. It is January 19th, 2026. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Troth Realtors, bringing you this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update, where week in and week out, we take a look at exactly what's going on in our local real estate market. I feel it's important that residents and potential buyers and sellers here in our valley have a trusted local resource to go to every week to follow along with the trends in our Antelope Valley real estate market. Often our statistics do get lumped in with Greater Los Angeles County, Southern California, and our market is definitely unique unto itself. Also like to point out before we get into our statistics that they are courtesy of the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors MLS system. So where are we as we head into this week of January 19th? Active listings took a little bit of a jump, which is a good thing. From 872 last week, we start this week with 904, up 3.7%. Like I mentioned, that's a good thing. Need to get some inventory on the market. Buyers can't buy what's not for sale. A little bit of a concerning number here. Our pendings down just down to 301, just one above 300. I've been doing this market update since January of 2021, so entering our sixth year. And in all those years, we've never dropped below 300 pending listings. So a little bit of a concerning number that we'll go ahead and keep a close eye out. We are seeing, a fair number of contracts fall out for whatever reason. Sometimes it's just, buyers being concerned where the market's heading after they get something under contract. Could be property inspections, appraisals, but that number does definitely seem to be dropping as we move through the month of January. So, week over week, the week of January 12th through yesterday, January 18th, new listings, as I did mention, took a 10.8% jump to 103 on the market last week. That was up from 93 the week prior. The median list price of those 103 listings, 460,000, 5.9% down from the week prior. Pendings up from 39 the prior week. That's a 38.5% jump to 54. And so, that is a better number than the week prior. But as I did mention, we are seeing that fair number of properties that are under contract falling apart for one reason or another. So that is driving that 301 number down. Median number of days, those 54 properties were on the market, 57. That's up 12 from the prior week. Listings sold, 46, no change. And median sales price of those 46 down 11.2% from it was 481 the week prior down to 427. And our absorption rate, if you were to take those 904 active listings at the top of our slide there and divide it by the number of closings for the last 30 days, which was 211, it'd take 4.3 months for all 904 of those listings to go under contract and sell. As I mention every week, if you have an absorption rate 3 months or lower, indicates a seller's market. 3 months to 6 months indicates a balanced market, and anything over 6 months, definitely a seller's market, likely to see some downward pressure on pricing. So with that, we'll go ahead and call it a wrap to this week's edition of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update. As always, if there's any other statistics, any other information about our local market that myself or any of our other trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Troth Realtors can provide you, by all means, do not hesitate to reach out. Always here for you and have been since 1957. All right, everybody, take care. Make it a great week, and we will talk to you next Monday. Bye bye.